Hi, Francesco.
Hi, welcome to my toy room.
How are you, Francesco?
Good.
That's good. What are we going to play with today? What's that? We're going to be unboxing something, guys. Let me have a look. What's it called? It's called an Air Raiders Pro Surfer Extreme Performance, flies over 25 meters. It's a plane, guys. It's a glider. Wow, that looks really cool, Francesco.
And you can also throw it.
You throw it to fly, that's right. Okay, should we open it up, Francesco?
Yes.
Okay, mate, do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'm coming over. Hi, guys. Welcome to Francesco's Toy Room. Let's unbox.
Yes.
Wow, let's have a look what it says here. It says easy assembly, 54 centimeters long by 60 centimeters wide. It's technologic material fusion. Wow, sounds pretty interesting. Let's have a look at how it is. We'll unbox it,
I'm
guys.
super excited. Are you excited, Daddy?
Yeah, I am excited actually. What have we got here? We've got some stickers.
My favorite.
Stickers, yeah, you like stickers, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, and we've got the body of the aeroplane.
Can I feel it?
That's
Whoa.
the body.
Ooh, it's like a rocket ship.
Yeah, it is. Looks like a rocket ship. We've got the rear wing.
For the plane.
And what else have we got? We've got the front wing.
Whoa.
And is there anything else in there? Let's have a look. Nope, that's it. That's an empty box now. Okay, let's first put the stickers on because we need to put the stickers on while it's nice and easy and flat.
I
So,
love stickers.
let's put the stickers on.
These ones go here.
Yeah, but we won't put it on yet because we need to put the stickers on first.
I know how to do this. What are these things? You know what these things are?
Right, that one. So,
Daddy, can I talk to you?
yeah, of course you can.
Be careful not to ruin this.
No, that's right. We need to be very, 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 very careful.
And also
Working
this.
around from the edges
And don't
so we don't get any bubbles. If you get bubbles, you've got to get the bubbles out, guys. Otherwise, it will interfere with the way the plane flies. So remember, you've got to get the bubbles out, guys.
Or if the bubbles go like this, it will fly like that.
That's right. Okay, so that's one sticker on.
Alright, let's do this.
Let's put the other one on.
Dad, look how big the body is. It's like it's so heavy.
Okay, now we've got all the stickers. Let's put the wings in. So that wing there goes in like so, and you've got to be careful you don't break it. You've got to wiggle it very slowly. Very, very slowly. And then this wing here, you've got to be careful, you've got to put it through very gently. And then it just wiggles its way in to the middle of the aeroplane. But just be very careful, guys, because this stuff, it can break really easily. Polystyrene breaks very, very easily.
Wow, look how big it is now.
So just be really careful, guys, when you're doing it. So you can see, the plane's finished.
Can I do it? Whoa, it's so heavy. Do we throw it out?
You can throw it that way.
Okay,
Watch, guys, here we go. There it is.
oh, no.
Let me have a look.
Ah,
Bring it over here. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can throw it. And then you hold it from here, and you throw it like that. There you go, guys. Flies really, really well, guys.
right there.
Okay, Francesco's turn. There it goes. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. What do you want to say to your friends, Francesco?
Thanks for coming to my toy room.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.